Hey everyone, how are you? So today we will create a battery icon in the CSS, like how your mobile battery, like a smartphone battery, right? Like a look like. We will create that outline, and inside that we will use the animations. We can say how the charging is going via 10%, 20%, and 100%, we can say. So we will go with that. Okay, so let's create HTML for that first. So we need a div tag. Okay, we will use a div element, and we will use a battery icon because we are creating a battery, right? So we will use a battery icon. We will just copy the battery icon class and we will use inside CSS. Here we will use only a CSS, not a JavaScript. So we will create that animations and battery icon in the CSS. So okay, so let's go with the battery icon. So for that we will use a border. As I told, like we need a border color, white color. Okay, I will go with the black color first. We will use a black color first. Okay, after that we will see what will happen next. After that I need a border radius as in 10 pixel. Height should be go with the 60 pixel, and width will be 20 pixel, and absolute we will use as relative. Okay, so this is what the outline of the battery first look, we can say. So let's make to a center, we can say. So you know to how we can do that center, right? So we will use a flex box here. So we will use a flex, then we will use a justify, contain, center. Oh, what happens? I clicked on caps lock, I think. Okay, came on center. So we'll use align items center. So my icon should be on the center. Okay, we will use width for that, so it should come on center. We will not use okay, we will hide overflow. Okay, so in any case we can see this is responsive also. It is center also on the screen, so no issues about it. So let's create first of all, let's create actual button, battery, we can say. So we have the outlet of battery, right? So we need a one top, like how it's coming like this battery notch, we can say. So that we will create it. Okay, so we will use that same class battery icon, and we will use in the after, we can say. We will use content. We'll use the content, then we will use a white color. Okay, I think I like white color most, so I will go with that. And for a whole, we will use some light red, we can say. So okay, this is nice, this is good, catchy. This is like a catchy color, we can say. Okay, and we'll use a border radius 5 pixel, and height should be on 30 pixel. Okay, and width should be on 15 pixel. Then the absolute I will use position absolute here, and you can see it's appearing, right? So this is what we need in the here. So it is like notch of battery, we can say. We will use 15 pixel because we need outside the battery, right? So we will use at minus 15 pixel, and we need to a center of the battery, so we'll use top 500 top 50%, and we will use a transform translate y, we can say, as an minus 50. So my notch will look like this. It is like center of battery, we can say. So it is like outlet of battery, right? So this is what we had created, a battery icon, we can say. So next step, we need to create filling feel like how the battery fill in the icon, right? So we will create that. So we will use the same class like a battery icon. We'll use in the before, okay, and we will use a content. We'll use a content here, and we'll use a background color as an little bit red, little bit orange, and little bit okay, yep. And the radius should be 5 pixel, and the height should be at 52 pixel, and width should be a 40 pixel start, we can say. And I made that as an absolute, we can say, okay. So we will use an absolute, and we will start from left X like a 4 pixel, and the top as an 4 pixel. So this is what it look like yeah. And this battery, this filling color, we can say, it should move, we can say, like 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. So we will use a 3 phase, we can say, 3 step, we can say, like how the mobile battery is filling, like we will use a 3 battery, like it should go with 50, then 70, then 90, then again goes for 50, then 70, like that, okay. So we will go with that animation. So you knew for animation we need a keyframe, right? For animations we need a keyframe that for animations. So we'll use that keyframe. We will say like fill, okay, because this is like filling my battery, we can say. It will fill my battery. So as you know, like we will start from 0, and width should be a 50 pixel start, okay. And the next will be a 50 pixel, okay, and the last is like a 100 pixel, we can say. And in the 50 pixel we will use a 70 pixel, and in the 100 pixel we will use a 9 pixel here, 90% we can say, okay. So this is what how the animation will run inside fill button. So we need to apply this animation in the before, right? So we will apply that animation. So like as an animation fill as in 3 seconds, we can say, as a linear, okay. So you can see the battery is moving but it should be like infinite time, we can say. It should run infinite time, right? So infinite. So this is what, so you can see this. If you want to run as an 100 percentage, so you can run as an 100 also. So let's see how it run. Okay, so 100% is like a more, we can say, like we can go with 95 percentage, we can say. It should go up to here only. Okay, this is nice. Yeah, this is what we achieved. Okay, this is pretty nice. It's really look good, right? Like a filling the battery, we can say. So let's profile. So why I added this one, because you know what to do. Like, subscribe me if you are new in my channel, and click to bell icon, because if I add new videos for you should you will notify on that time, right? So click on bell button, and in the link tree you will see my different links. For that you will see a ℂ𝕠𝕕𝕚𝕝 link, Instagram link, and YouTube link, and Facebook link also. You can follow me on all the social medias. So I'm posting this on all the social media, you can say, so you will get updates every time. So make sure you subscribe my channel, like my channel. If you have any comments, so you can write in the comments, and for this code I will add inside my description, on this video description, we can say. So you will get this code in the description and in the code pan, we can say. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Thank you.